Hey, hello, and welcome to my channel, Graphics, Word, and Excel. In this channel, you will get lessons on graphics, Word, and Excel. So, today in our lesson, we are going to learn a simple letterhead, that how we can design a simple letterhead in MS Word. The version of Word I am using is Microsoft Word 2016. So let's get started. The page size I am going to use for this process is uh, A4, but you can use according to your need. So first of all, we are going to insert our logo. Uh, for example, I'm going to use my own channel logo. So uh, we will adjust it and going to text wrap, and it is going to select behind the text, and we will adjust its size. Well, we will adjust it later according to our need. So the next process is to add a company name. So for this process, we are going to insert and going to select word art. I am going to select this one style, but you can select according to your need. So uh, I'm going to write my channel name, for example, GFXWExcel YouTube. So this is my channel name, and now we're going to make it some bold like this and add a text style which is copper plate gothic bold. So you can select according to your need, and let's make it like this and make it to center like this, like a little bit like this. Okay, fine. So our text is centralized, but our logo should be in front of text. So we're going to pick it and bring it here like this, and but it is going to be cut in print because ruler guides are 1 inches. So we're going to adjust this ruler guide to 1.3, 1.3. Okay. So now it's fine. It's not going to cut in print, and see, it's okay. Adjust its size. Let's make it 1 inches like this, unlike this. So it's okay, and we're going to again check our text. Is it going to be centralized properly? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So now below this company name, we are going to add company address. So we are again going to word art and going to select some other style, but at this time I'm going to select this one. So we are going to add company address here, but for example I am writing mm, 123 street 58 block B dash road and PK. So now uh, After writing company address, we are going to set its size to 24 and apply text as previous. Little bit big, a little fine, and center of the above text. So now after adding logo, company title, address, the next step is to add phone number of the company. So for the phone number, we are just going to type it into simple words like Times of New Roman, and yeah, so I have selected the right align, and the phone number will be at right side. Let's see, mobile number, it can be +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, whatever according to the client's demand. And we're going to assign it a text style Times New Roman, make it a little bit bigger and bold it. So, and at this we need to adjust it a little bit light. No, like this. Okay, that's fine. So, tab, 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 tab. Okay, now this is fine. After adding phone number, we are going to add reflection to our logo. For this process, we are going in picture format option. You can see here beside this Acrobat, there is no picture format option. So how we can go in it? When we click on our logo, the picture format option automatically appears. You can add any of design, whatever you like. So I'm going to add a reflection to my logo. It's good looking, okay, fine. So now we are going to draw a line below this, and for line we are going to insert shapes and going to click a line. So here's one process that whenever you draw a line, it will be straight or it will not be straight. Like this, I'm drawing the lines not straight, and to ensure that line should be straight, you press shift. By pressing shift, the line will be straight. So after drawing the line, we're going to shape outline and weight. And weight, we are going to make it a little bit thicker, and I'm going to add dashes on it like this. So after adding a line, we are going to add our last two things, reference number and date. So for this process, I am going to add two rows and going to place it in the middle. And in these two rows, I'm going to add reference number and date. I'll make it left align and going to add a date. And going to make it a right line. So after adding reference number and date, we're going to remove these dots and we are going to add line in front of these, and also going to add lines in front of date. So after adding reference number and date, we're going to select, and then we're going to remove these two rows. Now you can see it's looking beautiful. So guys, this is a simple letterhead design which we have learned in this lesson. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and do comment if you have any issue during this whole video, so that I can make a detailed video if you are unable to understand any of the step. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.